taking so long? Chop, chop. Or should I say chop, chop?
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Karen, aka cakedbybabyk, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell, we have a special guest. This is Nate. We are going to do an unboxing together, so hopefully this will go twice as fast. Ooh, Ardell. Ardell sent over their naked trios. This looks a lot like Falscara, and you guys know I'm obsessed with Falscara, so definitely going to be trying these.
This one's for me.
Is it really? What'd you order?
It's a curl wrap.
Oh. Oh my god. T3 sent over their curl wrap. Very excited to use this. This next one is from Say. I think I know what these are. Not them being all discombobulated. They sent over their new glossy bounces.
This is from Too Faced Cloud Crush. 93% natural origin, blurring blush. Blush fluid tint. Net weight 5 grams.
Gosh. So Too Faced sent over this blush. I already know that this one is from Kopari.
Wow.
Wow. What? Color Wow.
Color Wow. Extra strength, dream coat.
Alright, for me, Kopari sent over a bunch of their body care items. This is the Golden Aura body oil, which I've been seeing all over TikTok.
Can I have this?
Sure. A jump rope? Oh, that's cool. We have a marine gel purifying gel cleanser, a daily face SPF. We have 3 liffies, a moisture whip ceramide cream, and a body butter. Yeet. All right, Nate is handing off the Color Wow package to me. So as Nate stated, we have the electric jump rope. He's going to steal this from me. And we have the Color Wow Dream Coat Spray. I love this stuff. And then of course we have the bag that it came in. Oh, okay, this next one is from Buxom. Okay. Buxom always has these limited edition fall collections, and that's what's in here. Daisy Donut, Cranberry Smash, and Pumpkin Pie Latte. They come out with the yummiest scents. Flavors? Scents. Flavors and scents. Anyways, I'm super excited to try out this year's collection.
The Euphoria package with all this stuff in it. Pre-game primer and date night skin tint serum foundation.
Miss Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh, we have the new water cream. You guys know I love the magic cream, so very excited to try this out. Ooh, they sent over the original size and a travel size. Nice. All right, what? I don't even know what this is. Oh, is this a disposable camera? It feels like one. I'm gonna open it.
I thought it was soap.
You thought it was soap? It is! Oh my gosh! Alright, and they sent over 2 of the serum-powered foundations, a foundation brush, the Hyper Real Ceramizer. Oh, and another foundation. I don't even want to eat this box. It's so pretty.
There's a package by Makeup by Mario.
I've been waiting for this one.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! These are the new concealers. Looks like they sent me the full range, which is insane. And they also sent over, is this the brush?
Yes, it is, Karen.
Don't ever call me that. My name is Baby.
Oh, your name is cakedbybabyk.
Yeah, Baby. Because it's still not Karen. Don't call me Karen ever again. This one just says from LVMH. We got the Givenchy.
Oh, is that what it's called?
Yeah. What did you think it was called?
Givenchy.
Givenchy. Alright, so they sent over the Prisme Libre blushes. Oh, you got the Rihanna.
Fancy beauty.
So,
what the?
I already tried this yesterday for the first time when I went to the Fenty Beauty event, which was so much fun. But this is the new Ease Drop Blur and Smooth Skin Tint in a stick, which I love. And there's also a Hydra Visor in here. I think I will keep this box and display it in
Nice
my
box.
beauty room. This one is from Dew. I love Dew. Such an underrated skincare brand. They sent over a restock of their Instant Angel Moisturizer. The Trinity Serum. I've gone through, no joke, 3 bottles of this. And the last thing they sent over is the Oracle Reviving Eye Gel.
Package from Fixie.
Why do you have to say it like that?
Got this Dreamy Mist, Dreamy Eye patches, and Dreamy Sleep Mask. Allow me to demonstrate.
Ooh, it's cute. It says Karen is getting ready to glow. So these are what the Dreamy Eye patches look like. I love Pixie Eye patches. And then this is the Dreamy Mist. What if I just do this like blindfolded the rest of the way? And like you have to describe to me what I'm opening. This one is from Iconic London. I've also never gotten anything from them before. All right, so, ooh, okay, these are the Radiant Concealer and Brightening Duos. Y'all know I love me a complexion product. So they sent over 3 shades of the concealer along with a brush.
Here we got a package from Rode.
You just showed our address.
Oh. Cut. We got a package from Rode. Stop laughing. Serious take.
Sorry.
Rode less than 3 Krispy Kreme.
Stickers!
Strawberry stickers.
Strawberry stickers. I love strawberries.
Here. You have the Rode Peptide Lip Treatment.
They also sent a voucher for a dozen strawberry glazed Krispy Kreme donuts in there.
Wait, where?
Spoiler alert, I did open this already. Unfortunately, I don't live near a Krispy Kreme, but my sister does, so I gave her the voucher. You don't even like sweets!
That was Krispy Kreme.
You want strawberry glazed Krispy Kreme? I'll take it back from her.
I thought it was original.
No. Kaja sent over a wing stamp. Ooh, this one is from Sereni Beauty, which if you guys don't know, is Chloe Morello's brand. I absolutely love the Overnight Overhaul, and this is their newest launch. This is Lip Alchemy. Natasha Denona, I think this is her new palette. Ooh, look at the packaging on this. It's so pretty. And this is what the inside looks like. Very neutral, very cool toned. Ooh, pretty. You didn't even show the camera.
Oh, check it.
Can you even see it? Oh yeah, you can see it. This palette is called I Need a Nude.
Alright, package from BB, Bumble and Bumble. Do you know these people?
Yes, I know these people.
Okay. BB Hairdressers Invisible Oil, Ultra Rich, Hyaluronic Treatment Lotion. Then their Invisible Oiler, Heat / UV Protective Primer. Check it out.
Wow. I don't know who sent this. Never mind, I know who sent this. Rihanna sent this to me.
We got 2 packages.
Got 2 packages from Rihanna. We're besties. She sent over the Undercover Blemish Fighter. Oh shoot, I had a pimple right here a few days ago. Should have opened this earlier. So this is the Blemish Defeater, and then they also sent over, ooh, the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation.
Oh yeah, package. Glow Recipe.
Confession, I opened this earlier.
You opened a lot of packages already.
Yeah, because I'm anxious to use stuff.
She's not authentic.
Give me this! Cute little clear backpack filled with skincare goodies. So we have the Viral Dewdrops, the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream, the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I actually have never tried this from them before, so I will be testing it out. There was also,
and there's more. How could you not see it? It's clear.
I can't see, I'm blind. Blind. Anyways, this is the Watermelon Glow sunscreen. There was also the avocado serum that they have, and I've already plucked it for my collection because my skin is not the prettiest thing right now. We have these small ones. These are from the same person. Oh, it's from KVD. Ooh, this bag is so cool. Look at that. At first I thought something spilled in here, but it's just the bag. This is their eyeliner, I believe. Oh no, this is their mascara. Look at the packaging on that, it's so pretty. All right, and then this one is also from KVD. This one might be an eyeliner. Yep, we have the Longwear gel eyeliners in here.
Got a package here from Bread.
Bread?
Not the kind you eat though. Hair stuff. We got this Bread hair gel, curl capturing gloss. Boom. Got a hair oil, everyday gloss. Check it out. A macadamia oil.
Wow, you're just really...
I can't say oil.
You just can't say that word, huh?
Oil. Yeet.
Next package is from Super Zero. This is their solid shampoo and solid conditioner.
Solid?
Yeah, it's like a bar.
Just rub it on my head?
Yeah, let's open it up. This is what the solid shampoo bar looks like.
I tried it out.
Yeah?
YSL. New bag, I hope.
I hope too.
Black Opium YSL Eau de Parfum. Got this Lash Clash mascara. Harsh liner stylo waterproof.
Alright, this next one is from Merit. They sent over some of their minimalist beauty must-haves. This is the Clean Lash, so mascara. Solo Shadow. Ooh, these are new. Why did I say these so weirdly? The last thing is a brush.
Package here from Crown. Oh, Crown Affair. It's a calming scalp serum. The brush, number 002. I have the 001 model.
You gotta toss the box.
Oh yeah.
This package is from Makeup Revolution, so they sent over a bunch of goodies. We have some glosses, translucent powder, a 5D lash pow, all these beautiful highlights. Look at all these. Blush and a bronzer. Another powder, this one is the banana one. And then we have the Sport Fix Lasting Hold Fixing Spray, and then the Infinite Mattifying Setting Spray.
We're on a time crunch here. Jisoo? Jisoo?
Jisoo.
Oh. Wait, Jisoo? Like.
It's Jisoo.
Okay.
I think.
She's on BTS, right? Or no, she's Blackpink.
Is she even on Blackpink? I don't even know.
Jisoo.
I think she is. Oh, they sent a note saying congratulations on joining the 2023 Sephora Squad. We're so excited for this adventure you're about to embark on. Please find and enclose a selection of our Jisoo honey-infused bestsellers at Sephora. Can't wait to see the amazing content you create with them. Love the Jisoo team. Thank you, guys!
Honey-infused hair mask, honey-infused leave-in condish, honey-infused lip oil,
I've been wanting to try this.
honey-infused hair oil, and honey-infused hair mask.
Ooh.
Honey.
I have to go, but Nate's gonna do this last one.
Function of Beauty Pro Curly Coily Hair Recovery Conditioner Mask. Then we got all these other things. Hydration Pro Scalp Hydrating Hair Gold Concentrate. Boom boom. Moisture Boosting Hair Gold Concentrate. Nice. Shine Enhancing Hair Gold Concentrate. Amazing. Curl Defining Hair Gold Concentrate. Nice. Stay curly. That's all for the video, yo. Catch you in the next one.
What the heck was that? Don't do that ever again. Ka-chow!